Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to insert a scale bar into your image using Fiji macro. For this example, I will use the image we created in episode 3. As usual, I will open the macro recorder first. And when you look at the header of the image, you can already see the pixel size. This means I have already inserted the pixel information. To double check, you can press Ctrl L and type properties. And here you will see the image has 4 channels and 1 slice. The unit of length is set to micron, and pixel width and heights are already defined. I extracted this information from my microscope settings. Keep in mind the pixel size will depend on your microscope and the objective you use, so you will need to figure it out from your own settings. And to add a scale bar, simply search for scale bar here. In the scale bar settings, you can adjust widths in microns and color of the scale bar. I usually prefer white. It depends on the image, of course. And the background you can use. I found it is useful when you are dealing with electron microscope image. And the location, you can choose also several location, but I usually choose the lower right. And here you can also show or hide the text. Personally, I prefer to hide the text and only display the scale bar. Then in the figure lesson, I mentioned the scale. So now we will add the scale bar to this composite image. So we change to RGB. But you might notice something strange, right? So, okay, I will do more channels. So what is that is each channel ends up with a different color scale bar instead of the white one we set. So to fix it, you need to convert the image to RGB first, then add the scale bar. Then now you will see the white scale bar as expected. But you will still need to repeat this for each channel manually, which means lots of clicking. So to make this easier, we can use a macro. And for this, I will use the macro from episode 3 as a starting point. And we will delete the unnecessary color settings from the macro. And update the input name with underscore M. And add the scale bar code. The setting we use you can find in the macro recorder. So you copy it and paste in the macro. Okay, I will do same things for other channels. Then finally we save and run the macro. And now all channels have the same white scale bar without endless clicking. Much easier, right? And that's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.